Alright, so we're starting with our...
This is Missy.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see Danny West, please?
Alright. Okay, so we're starting with our 4H. I'm going to use a darker pencil so you guys could see. Alright, so we started off with our still life. Shh. So we started off with just a simple shaped still life. Right, so this is more of a complex shape. It's still black and white. It's white cups. We did white shapes. So it's not going to be too much of different, except that you have to think about the shape of the cups, how they're tilted, the foreshortening. What do I mean by foreshortening? Does anybody knows what foreshorten means? In art, not in literature.
Foreshortening.
So if I hold my arm out like this, can you guys see my whole arm?
Oh, you're making it smaller so that it looks like it's a...
But if I hold my arm like this, what can you see?
Your hand.
Just my hand. But is my arm still there?
Yeah.
Yes, but it's foreshortened. That means it's behind my hand. But if I hold it out this way, you can see that I have a hand and arm.
You're using perception or perspective.
Yes, perspective. It's all about your perspective. So we know that this cup here, looks like this one we're looking straight at, that's sitting on the table, but it's foreshortened. So it looks slightly different from that angle. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to do the same thing that we did on that shapes on this one. I'm going to start with things that are in my center or that's closest to me. So I'm going to start just kind of sketching out where those cups are. Now, this cup, I can only see a tiny part on the inside. So do I need to draw the lip of that cup really big? No. I only draw what I see, which is this small piece. And I'm going to just start drawing what I see. Now, is it okay if you don't fit all the cups on your paper?
Probably.
Yes. I'd rather you draw too large than too small. It's okay if it looks like the cups are running off the paper. If you fit all the cups on there, that is fine too. But all I'm going to do is draw exactly what I see. And these are just your everyday styrofoam cups. It's so that way you guys all have different angles and not everybody's looks the same. You'll find in here, I don't like everybody drawing the same thing. With the shapes, everybody had the same shapes, the same orientation, but styrofoam cups gives you a lot of different variety. Now, you're going to have to erase and redraw some things. I don't expect for you guys to get everything the exact way it should look. Erase and redraw. It's okay to do that. Don't forget to draw the little lines on the inside of the cup. You can see the rim, like all that detail that you see. And I'm just drawing one cup at a time. Now, until we start shading, guys, some of your shapes are going to not look quite right because the value is what makes things look three-dimensional. Right now, we're just doing our outlines. And what are just the outlines called? It is a sketch, but what's the name? It starts with a C.
Chicken scratch.
Contour.
Concept.
Contour lines.
Contour lines, yes. Yeah, we're just drawing our contour lines as just our outlines. And I know it's pretty dark, but you can even see the table, which is your horizon line behind there. But I should be able to look at your drawing, and by just the shape of your cups, I should be able to tell which picture that you chose from or that you got assigned. This is going to be a lot more difficult than the shapes.
But like,
Okay.
I want to learn how to do it though.
Yes, I'm going to walk around. I'm going to help you guys more on an individual basis. So just keep working until I make my way to you.